Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're ready to make a call on Ooma, but your balance is running low? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people face this common dilemma. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of adding money to your Ooma account. Ooma is a popular VoIP service that offers affordable and reliable phone calls. Whether you're using Ooma for personal or business purposes, maintaining a sufficient balance is essential to ensure uninterrupted service. So, let's dive in and learn how to top up your Ooma account. Method 1. Online Account Portal. Log in to your Ooma account. The first step is to access your Ooma account online. Go to the Ooma website and enter your login credentials. Navigate to the Billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or Account section. This is where you'll manage your Ooma account settings, including adding funds. Choose your payment method. You'll be presented with various payment options. Select the method that suits you best, such as credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Enter payment information. Carefully enter the required details for your chosen payment method. Make sure to double-check the information before proceeding. Specify the amount. Indicate the amount of money you want to add to your Ooma account. You can choose from predefined amounts or enter a custom amount. Confirm and submit. Review your payment information and the amount to be added. If everything is correct, click the Submit or Pay button to complete the transaction. Method 2. Using the Ooma mobile app. Download the Ooma mobile app. If you haven't already, download the Ooma mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Log in to your account. Open the app and enter your login credentials. Access the Billing section. Look for the Billing or Account tab within the app. Choose Payment Method. Select your preferred payment method from the available options. Enter payment information. Provide the necessary details for your chosen payment method. Specify the amount. Indicate the amount you want to add to your Ooma account. Confirm and submit. Review your payment information and the amount to be added. Tap the Submit or Paid button to complete the transaction. Auto recharge. To avoid running out of funds, consider enabling the auto recharge feature. This allows Ooma to automatically add funds to your account when your balance falls below a certain threshold. Check transaction history. After adding funds, verify your transaction history to ensure the payment was successful. Contact Ooma support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Ooma's customer support. Adding money to your Ooma account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Whether you prefer using the online portal or the mobile app, you can easily top up your balance and continue enjoying uninterrupted phone calls. Have you ever struggled with adding funds to your Ooma account? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips and tutorials. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.